So we are in South Beach for Eric's birthday, and we just checked into our hotel like what, an hour ago or something. That's so many towels. Yeah, we just visited the beach. So right now we're just waiting on our bike rentals so we can go ride our bikes, but it's taking awfully long. And what are we doing tomorrow?
It's a surprise.
What do you mean it's a surprise? You already know what it is.
For the viewers.
Oh, okay, it's a surprise for you guys. But this is the hotel that we're staying at. Hey guys, so we actually never got to ride the bicycles because
Sold out. No, not sold out. They were
they were just out. Like everybody that had the bicycles were out, and we waited, but it took forever, so we just ended up walking. And we had some crab, which I didn't vlog, but we had like a lot of crab. And Eric had oysters and oh yeah, then we got this chocolate Nutella croissant, and that's what I'm having right now. But we're just walking along this little strip before we head back to our hotel. So we're back inside of the hotel. We were trying to like go see if the pool was open, but it actually closed at sundown. But the beach is open. There's like a little access thing, or the path or whatever is open. And we already went there during the day, but I don't know. We'll see. What do you think? He said he doesn't want to go to the beach. Check this out. We have like a little balcony, and you can go outside and see like the nightlife. It's kind of windy up here. What the heck? Water is all the way over there. That little white dot is a cruise ship, but it's kind of windy, so you guys may not even be able to hear me, so I'm gonna go inside. But yeah, this is the little bathroom. It's kind of cute in here. And then it has like this cool little sliding door. Check that out. And there's this like sitting area over here with this little sort of couch thingy, and then there's another window. This one is not, you can't open this one. The one over there you can though. So there's that, and then there's like this little area with a sink and drinks and snacks, and in here it's like a little mini bar fridge thing, and this is the little closet, and those same little sliding doors are here too. So just open these up. There's a closet. There's this nice hallway. So yeah, we're just kind of in here, and tomorrow we're gonna do that thing that we're gonna do. I don't know what we're doing. If we end up doing something, I will turn on this camera and then I'll let you guys know, but as of right now I don't think we're doing anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off until tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, it's another day, and today we are going to see some wild animals. We went to the beach earlier today, and I got some footage of that if you guys want to see. And then we had some breakfast, and then we just went back to the room and got ready to go. And now we are driving. Hey guys, so we're here. We're about to come in to the entrance.
Spider you're gonna find up in the trees, making web from tree to tree. 2 American alligators. They're about 2 years old. They're gonna grow up to be about 12 to 15 feet in power. Tremendous biting power. Not so much opening up. Know that they're helping us out with our environment. We're gonna say body poly right now. And poly. Bye bye.